So certainly taxpayers have something to cheer about from the budget proposals presented by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Under the newly proposed regime, taxpayers can get a significant cut on payment of income tax, but the catch is to avail this tax cut, they must forego any deductions from their taxable income. The taxpayers who do not wish to avail of these new schemes will have the option to continue under the existing tax regime. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman provided a new income tax slab for individual taxpayers, as we just heard.
A tax structure will provide significant relief to taxpayers and more so to those in the middle class. I just want to very clearly read out 0 to 2.5 lakh, exempt now, will be exempt in the new scheme also. 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, 5% now will be 5% in the new tax rate. 5 to 7.5 lakhs, 20% now will become 10% in the new rate. 7.5 to 10 lakhs, 20% now will be 15% in the new. 10 to 12.5 lakhs, 30% now will now come to 20%. 12.5 to 15 lakhs, 30% now, 25% in the new rate. Above 15 continues at 30%.
The tax waiver comes with a condition attached. Those who wish to avail of this must forego deductions, but this, of course, is optional, as we said.
In order to provide significant relief to the individual taxpayers and to simplify the income tax law, I propose to bring a new simplified personal income tax regime wherein income tax rates will be significantly reduced for the individual taxpayers who forego certain deductions and exemptions.
And while in a major tax reform, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has also proposed the introduction of a taxpayers' charter in the Income Tax Act. This has been done to ensure that harassment of taxpayers by income tax officials does not take place. The Finance Minister reiterated that tax harassment cannot be tolerated, as often it is the wealth generators who end up getting harassed. Certain offences under the Companies Act will not be decriminalised, and other laws are being examined to make corrections.
More than 6,000. The aspirational youth, the hard-working women, the risk-taking entrepreneur, the ever-hopeful and untiring farmer, or the wise and old senior citizen. Many among them are taxpayers. Others may not be taxpayers now. Our Prime Minister has laid before us ease of living as a goal to be achieved on behalf of all citizens. An important aspect of both ease of living and ease of doing business is fairness, efficiency of tax administration. We wish to enshrine, this is important, Honourable Speaker. This is important, sir. Money being allocated to various programs is finance of this country. This is very important, sir. Businesses should have the confidence that things are being fair and the efficiency of the tax administration. We wish to enshrine in the statutes a taxpayer charter. Through this budget, a taxpayer's charter is getting institutionalized into the statutes. It's going to be enshrined as a part of our laws. That's building trust. A taxpayer's statutes will be a part of a taxpayer's charter will be a part of our statutes. Our government would like to reassure taxpayers that we remain committed to taking measures so that our citizens are free from harassment of any kind. We mean it, and we are willing to put it in the law. Tax harassment cannot be tolerated when we are talking about citizens and wealth collectors.